What is up, guys? Evergreen Flag Guy. I've got another unboxing for you. I know that's pretty much my videos for this week are unboxings. I'm trying to get some actual content of me fishing outside and stuff, but it's just been a challenge. I got some fly stuff coming up. I know I'm gonna try this river right beside my house. It opens up tomorrow. I got some stuff for jetty fishing. I've been trying to get into that. I got a rod and everything set up. Found a nice cheap rod. I've got some gear for it already. But other than that, let's get into it. So today we have the Mondo, Googan Squad Mondo Pro, however you want to call it. I don't know. Mondo bass box. I've been working my way through all their boxes that they got, trying them out, seeing which ones I like the best. Yeah, let's get into it. So it actually kind of tells you what's inside. So we're expecting a mini banger, a saucy swimmer, a grass hero jig, a filthy frog, a zinger, and a sun mask. I've used almost every one of these, I want to say, except for their frogs, because I don't really fish frogs that much. And obviously a sun mask. But it looks pretty solid. Let's just pull it out and see what we got. Oh, I had to set you guys down for this one. Okay. Make sure there's no more tape. Alright. Okay. Alright, so same concept. They have the little inner flaps like the other boxes do. So for this neck thing, I really can't see its design yet. I'll open it better at the end. Googan Squad sticker. I don't know what I'll put that on. If I use it. Googan Squad, this is a grass hero jig. This is a black and blue. It's actually a really good color. The black and blue in general is a really great color. I like that. I have another one of their grass hero jigs. I have it in the bluegill pattern. I really haven't found it that much. I actually think it's the same size and everything, 1/4 ounce. I like the Googan Squad ones because they just have the little design in their eye. I don't know if you can see that. I know my lighting's kind of weird. What do we got for the mini banger here? Okay, mini banger. What color is this? I don't recognize this one. Is this the Go Skill or something like that? Yeah, right there. So Go Skill. This is a interesting little one. I don't actually think I don't have any of the mini bangers. I have the full size bangers, some of them. So this has a diving depth of 1 to 4 foot, length of 2 inches, weight of 1/4 ounces. It's just a good little square bill crankbait. That's a good color though. I don't really think I'll have any issues throwing this or anything like that. The zinger. Okay, so I have one of the zingers. This is the white one. I think I have the blue, white, yellow chartreuse deal, whatever you want to call that. This is just, the color's white, 3/4 ounce, Colorado size 2, Willow size 4. Just a nice little thing. Nice little spinner bait. Can't go wrong with a nice little white spinner bait. White's one of the most common colors I use. Saucy swimmers. I actually think I have this exact size and this exact color. If not, it's very similar. Pure passion. They're just swim tails. They're pretty nice. I mean, I can't really go wrong with them. Good. They feel pretty good. The nightclub. I actually have this exact frog, and I think in this exact size of the filthy frog, and I think I got it out of the Mondo box. But it's got a length of 2 1/2 inches with a weight of 5/8. I don't really know. I mean, it's a black frog. I mean, that's pretty good color for frogs from what I understand. Like I said, I don't really use frogs that much, so I really couldn't tell you. I'll put you guys down for a second, or maybe I can do it with one hand. We'll open this neck gator thing and see how it looks. This is an item that I tell you I've really started to use in the summer months. I actually have a Bass Pro one that I've been using a lot of. Okay, so it's got the little brand down there, the Necco, and then it just has the Googan logo on it there, the Googan Squad logo, and just I think it says in the background Googan Squad in the white lettering, if you can see that. So actually, I like that. I'm not saying I would have been upset if I would have got one that had like big Googan logos everywhere. But I'm glad it's kind of minimalistic because I really want to use it, but I don't want to be like one of those guys that's the only thing I use is Googan stuff. I do like Catchco and mystery tackle box stuff. But I'm not fully on the Googan Squad hype. I'm not having nothing against them. It's just not my exact cup of tea. Well, guys, that was it. That was a Googan Squad Mondo box. That's the first time for me unboxing that, and I mean, it's pretty straightforward with what comes in it. There's a few of their baits, and they're all good quality baits. I haven't found an issue with any of the Googan Squad baits. I'm not like a person that's like constantly on the Googan Squad stuff. That like I love it. It's the greatest thing ever. But I'm not against their stuff, and I'll definitely use it. I have no quarries against certain baits. I'll try anything once, and if it's bad, it's bad. If it's good, it's good. I'm not going to judge. But I appreciate you guys for watching. Stay tuned for some more. Like I said, probably another giveaway coming up soon since you guys like that, and I enjoyed doing it. Hopefully some actual fishing stuff or crabbing at the least. But stay tuned. Hit the subscribe bell, hit that alert bell, and most importantly, guys, get out there and catch some fish in this nice, beautiful weather.